AlphaDesk is an AI-powered trading analysis system built on a 5-layer pipeline which simulates a real hedge fund model. It automates the entire investment decision-making process, from raw data to a final trade proposal, all under 15 seconds. The term alpha in finance means returns above the market benchmark. The alpha loop is the cycle that hunts for, validates, and risk checks those opportunities before presenting a conviction verdict. It does this with 5 layers. The first layer is the alpha generators. It has 4 agents which scan for different signals: technical, fundamental, news and sentiment, and SEC filings. The second layer is the backtest engine. It validates the signal through 6 to 12 months of historical data. The third layer is the execution desk. It has the entry price, ATR-based stop loss, profit target, and risk to reward ratio. The fourth layer is risk oversight. It has 8 hard safety gates, and any failure rejects the trade. The last layer, or layer 5, is the performance and attribution. It has the final conviction thesis, the bull and bear debate, the P&L projection, and finally the PDF export. Above this is the simulated portfolio, a paper trading account that starts with $100,000 in cash and tracks all approved positions as if they were real. No real money, no real broker connection. Every approved trade fills automatically. This matters because the risk officer reads your portfolio in real time and provides subsequent analysis seeing existing positions. If you are already 40% in technology, a new NVIDIA trade will be sized down automatically. Let me show you how to use this website step by step. First, you pick a ticker. You can type any ticker into the input field, or just click a quick select button. Free tickers like SPY require no license, but all other tickers require Tier 2 or Tier 1 activation. You can pay monthly, or if you don't wish to pay monthly, you can do pay per report. The second step is to check the macro filter. The banner at the top shows current market conditions. VIX below 20 is calm, VIX 20 to 30 is elevated, which will display yellow, and VIX above 30 is stressed and will display red. This may block high-risk trades. Step 3 is to watch the pipeline. Each of these 5 layers light up in sequence. If the cycle stops early, that means Risk Oversight has rejected the trade. Expand that layer card to see which gate failed. Step 5 is to read the verdict. The decision banner shows the conviction level, the side, entry price, stop loss, profit target, and risk to reward ratio. You can also check the data sources. Below the verdict, each data source shows its provider, freshness, and status. And lastly, you can export the PDF and download a full report with executive summary, full layer reasoning, and historical backtest statistics. You can eliminate the guesswork and replace emotion with evidence. Whether you are managing a complex portfolio or executing high-frequency strategies, AlphaDesk is a tool that every trader should have to make smart, logical, and calculated trading decisions.